Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this dolphin game on Scratch. So now let's take the dolphin and the water. So click on upload a sprite and go to downloads anywhere wherever it is, and then click on open. And do the same for taking the dolphin. Okay, so in the water you should have so many costumes so that it will look like bubbles are coming. So just keep a forever block and then go to looks and then take set color effect and then keep it to ghost effect, set it to 10 here, and then change next costume here and then keep a green flag option here. So now let's see how this is working. So this is so fast, so I want to make it so slow, so just keep 0.1 in this weight block and just keep it here. So now you can see it's a little slow. And now the dolphin should go in the back layer. So I'll take this, go to front layer and just change it to back layer. And don't forget to keep a green flag option. Okay, it went to the back layer. And now keep a forever block, and now let's make it jump, move, everything. Okay, so keep 2 if blocks, and now just keep 2 these and just keep it right here and left here. And now just take this, no, not this, just keep move -5 and not -5, just keep 5. And now just go here and just change it to this left and right here. And now keep point in direction. So this is left and this is right. Okay, now let's see how it's turning. Okay, it's going everywhere. Now let's make the jumping program. Keep another green flag option and then keep a forever block and keep 1 if block and then keep if as the up arrow keys pressed, then it should go up. So I'll just keep 2 repeat blocks and then just change this to 15, both of it, and then change Y by 5, and same way for this one also, but -5. Now let's see how that arrow is working. Okay, it's working. So now let's take the ball. So just go to choose a sprite and then take this basketball. Then let's do the coding for this. And the green flags clicked. Keep a forever block, and if the space key is pressed, it should move up. So keep a repeat block and then just keep a move 5 steps and a change -5, not -5, just keep it 5 here, and then duplicate this and now keep -5 here. Okay, now let's see how it's working. Okay, it's just standing there, so keep a if else block, take the space key here and this all here, and then delete the if block. Let's fit this inside. And now in the else block, it should be hide and it should show here. And one more thing, go to the dolphin. It should go to the dolphin. Okay, now let's see how the ball is going. Okay, so it's just jumping less, so just increase it until it jumps more high. Okay, a little bit more. I'll keep it 40. And now let me see how it is. Okay, so that's how I want. So if I just go this side, the ball is still going at that side. So to make it go the right side, I have to just keep a pointing direction and then go to sensing and take this block and keep it in it, and here just keep the dolphin and then the direction of it. So when I'm pointing this side, the ball is going that side, and then when I point to the opposite direction, it's going that way. Okay, now let's make that loop. So just paint a sprite, just simply paint one red oval without anything, just only the outline. So I'm going to make the outline red and the outline size should be 7. Okay, that's how I wanted. And now just take this loop and keep it up here. And now keep a forever block. And then, no need a block, just keep this block here, this go to block. And just keep this one also, glide to this position. And then take it to a different position, but do not take it down here, just take it up somewhere here. And then keep this again here. So when this is, so you can see it's moving everywhere. Okay, so then keep this green flag option up here. Okay, so now just keep another green flag option with the forever block and an if block. So if it's touching the basketball, okay, we have to make a variable, delete the my variable and make one variable score. Okay, and click on OK. Then set the score to 0 first and then change score by 1, and you can just, and it can say anything for 1 second. I'm just going to simply keep switch or something. Okay, now let's see how it's working. Okay, I got 1 score. If you want, you can just increase this so that the dolphin will jump a little bit fast. Okay, that's good. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.